What if I told you there's a simple, low-cost way to invest in some of the largest and most powerful companies in the United States, all in one ETF? Instead of stressing over picking the perfect stock, smart investors turn to SCHX to get broad exposure to the U.S. market and let their money grow over time. This is the kind of ETF that can quietly build wealth in the background while you focus on your life. So today, let's break down how this ETF works and if it deserves a spot in your portfolio. Part 1. What is SCHX? SCHX is a passive ETF that tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Large Cap Total Stock Market Index, which includes some of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. This gives investors exposure to a broad range of large-cap U.S. stocks across multiple sectors, making it a strong foundation for a long-term portfolio. Part 2. Key characteristics. SCHX stands for the Schwab U.S. Large Cap ETF, and as of this video, it manages around $62 billion in assets under management. It comes with a very low expense ratio of just 0.03%, helping investors keep more of their returns. The fund also offers a dividend yield typically around 1.2% to 1.5%, providing a modest stream of income on top of its growth potential. All of this makes SCHX one of the cheapest large-cap ETFs available, delivering strong long-term growth at a low cost while still offering some income. These characteristics have helped drive strong investor trust and widespread adoption. Part 3. Top holdings. SCHX holds around 750 of the largest companies in the U.S. stock market, including names like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, and Broadcom. These are industry leaders driving innovation, technology, and economic growth in the U.S. They own critical products and technologies that we use every single day, helping solidify their dominance and long-term strength. Part 4. Performance. Over the long term, large-cap U.S. stocks have delivered strong and consistent returns and are often the driving force behind the overall health of the U.S. stock market. Since SCHX tracks the broader large-cap market, its performance closely mirrors the U.S. economy. Since inception, SCHX has delivered an average annual return of around 14.26% and 21.6% over the last 3 years. This makes it a reliable option for steady, long-term growth, though like all stock ETFs, it can still experience volatility during market downturns. Part 5. Why invest in SCHX? Many investors add SCHX to their portfolios for several key reasons. First, it provides broad diversification across the largest U.S. companies. Second, it comes with extremely low costs, helping investors maximize long-term returns. And third, it serves as a simple core holding for those building a long-term, set-and-forget portfolio that can deliver results over time. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 per week into SCHX over the next 30 years, and it continues to deliver its historical average return of 14.26%, your portfolio could grow to over $1.8 million. If this video helped you understand SCHX, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.